Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Express. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. She is standing near the door. She is standing near the door. The child jumps happily. The child jumps happily. Look at the board. Look at the board. She reads a book. She reads a book. We watch TV in the evening. We watch TV in the evening. We eat dinner together. We eat dinner together. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Everyone claps for him. Everyone claps for him. The child cries a lot. The child cries a lot. Hold the bag carefully. Hold the bag carefully. Do not touch the wire. Do not touch the wire. Push the door gently. Push the door gently. Pull the rope. Pull the rope. He kicks the ball. He kicks the ball. Lift the box carefully. Lift the box carefully. She carries a bag. She carries a bag. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. He scratches his head. He scratches his head. Rub your palms together. Rub your palms together. Turn your head left. Rub your palms together. Rub your palms together. Turn your head left. Turn your head left. Clean your face. Clean your face. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Tie your shoes. Tie your shoes. Untie the knot. Untie the knot. Chew the food. Chew the food. Bite the apple. Bite the apple. Swallow the pill. Swallow the pill. Do not spit here. Do not spit here. I sneeze now. I sneeze now. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. I yawn when tired. I yawn when tired. He nods his head. He nods his head. She bows politely. She bows politely. The baby crawls on the floor. The baby crawls on the floor. Be careful not to fall. Be careful not to fall. He punches the bag. He punches the bag. Knock the door. He punched the bag. He punched the bag. Knock the door. Knock the door. Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Pet the dog gently. Pet the dog gently. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Grab the handle. Grab the handle. Twist the cap. Twist the cap. Hide behind the wall. Hide behind the wall. Lean against the wall. Lean against the wall. Rest for some time. Rest for some time. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Thank you. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel.